Today is a very special day, no? Your sweat, your sacrifices, ug ang inyong unwavering courage, no? Do not just build our cooperative. They build our nation. Ang inyong kapugi, ang inyong kaisog. The fact na naamo diri, buhi ang Moresco, buhi ang atong giserbisyuhan, kanang tanan, you are not just building Moresco, dos. You are actually giving birth o naghatag mo og kanang kinabuhi sa atong nasud. No? So, on behalf sa atong board of directors, the management, and most importantly, from our member consumer owners, thank you. Thank you for answering the call time and time and time again. So, our roadmap at Moresco 2 is clear. We are moving beyond the ordinary service to deliver excellence that exceeds expectations. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, no matter how visionary our strategic plans are on paper, no? They remain just dreams kung wala mo mga linemen. To our linemen, today is about you. Wear your uniform with pride today and every day, knowing that an entire cooperative and the entire nation is grateful for the heavy burdens you carry so lightly on your shoulders. Let us commit once more to safety, excellence, and servant leadership. Let us show to our member consumers that at Moresco 2, we do not just power homes, we empower lives driven by the courage of our linemen. Mabuhay ang atong lineman, mabuhay ang atong Moresco 2.